Well, welcome back to Channel Ron. Today I'm going to be cleaning the front of my camper here with the Harbor Freight Power Washer. This is the 3100 PSI. The reason why I went with this one is because I used one that was, I think, a 2500 PSI, and there was a bit of a difference, so I stepped it up to the 3100 PSI. About 400 bucks. Real quickly, one of the things that you want to be aware of is the only way that the soap dispenser is going to work is if you use the low volume nozzle, so the black one, and you just kind of put that in like that, and now the soap will come out. It will not come out unless you have that one in there. So I'm going to go ahead and do a time lapse of cleaning the front of my little camper here with the Harbor Freight 3100 PSI power washer. Let's go ahead and get started. I want to add that if you're going to do this, I would suggest on you wearing sandals or go barefoot, because you are going to get wet. I also forgot to mention, it's a little loud too, not only with the engine. I mean, obviously I can move that away. I think I got about a 20-foot hose here, but with the water hitting the unit itself, it's kind of loud, so I'd recommend some ear protection. Well, there it is. Worked really good. One thing you want to make sure of, you don't stay in one spot for too long, because it'll actually take the paint or any stickers that you have on the camper. And I noticed on the other camper I was actually pulling some of the pinstriping off. So not a whole lot to it. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to be using this a lot on a lot of different things around the yard here. So again, for about 400 bucks, you've got a nice little machine. So thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.